tông mẫu. Apa tông mẫu? Không tông. Không tông. Come back, my guy. 5 seconds.
Oh my God, second.
Oh, big wave. Come back. Oh, come back.
You get him. Help me.
Come on, come back. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, it's freezing.
But my legs got wet.
Yeah.
So now my body,
I think you have to.
my legs are the only thing that's good.
Oh, it's freezing.
But he's quite cold too. That's why he wanted his body good. Did you have it? No.
Go, hold on. Let me take you for a swim, man. Ready? Let's catch a wave. Let's catch a wave. Catch a wave. Ready to catch a wave?
That's about down. That one's too small.
You want a bigger one? Longer one? Okay.
Didn't they say the bigger is better?
The big one? Like the one you can stand up on.
No. Not the surfboard.
Oh!
Swim.
Alright, 5. You want to go deeper? Huh? You want to go? Oh, are you cold? Oh, there we go. Get on. Hey! The wave's here, Bryce. The wave is here. Bryce? Oh. Bryce, the wave is here. I get something on me. Here, Bryce. Bryce, come here. Come here. Go, sit on there. Oh, right there. Oh, that was a good one. Alright, go lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down properly. Lie down, 2 hands. 2 hands. 2 hands. 2 hands. Alright, let's catch a wave. You gotta wait, okay? Go wait. Can you wait here? Alright. Yeah, you gotta wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick. How's that? How's that? Another one? Another one? Wow. have to wait. Have to wait for a wave.
Me?
Wait, let Daddy look. Catch a nice wave. Catch a nice wave. Sometimes you just gotta wait. Oh, I think one coming. Alright, you gotta hold on 2 hands, okay? Are you ready?
Ready?
Maybe 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dad over there enjoying himself. Come on. Come on, show your dad. Yeah? Yeah? Boys. What you got there? Hold on! Hold on! Wow. Hold on. Hold on, you gotta hold on, man. Hold on, hey, hold this. Hold it. Yeah, you gotta wait. You gotta catch a big wave. Oh, nice, Upper.
Yeah, okay.
Very nice, yeah. Let's got Upper over there enjoying the Tassie swim. Still a bit brisk, but we're having a good time. We're having a good time. Good for the legs, muscles. Row. It's 5, 4, 3. Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Into the deep ocean. Into the deep ocean. We're gonna come back now. Gonna catch a big wave. Are you ready? 'Cause I am brave. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.